Welcome back to eShirt, the ultimate online learning platform. Today, we're diving into the fascinating world of artificial intelligence and how it's revolutionizing our lives. From self-driving cars to virtual assistants, AI is transforming the way we live, work, and interact. So, let's explore the AI revolution and its impact on our world. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more amazing content. 1. What is artificial intelligence? Artificial intelligence, or AI, refers to the development of computer systems that can perform tasks that would typically require human intelligence. These tasks include learning, reasoning, problem-solving, and understanding natural language. AI systems can be classified into two categories: narrow AI, which is designed for specific tasks, and general AI, which has the potential to perform any intellectual task that a human can do. 2. AI in everyday life. AI is already a part of our daily lives, and its presence is only growing. From voice assistants like Siri and Alexa to recommendation algorithms on Netflix and YouTube, AI is making our lives more convenient and personalized. In this section, we'll explore some of the most common applications of AI in our everyday lives, such as 1. Virtual assistants. Siri, Alexa, and Google Assistant help us with tasks like setting reminders, answering questions, and controlling smart home devices. 2. Social media algorithms. AI-powered algorithms on platforms like Facebook and Instagram curate our feeds based on our interests and online behavior. 3. Online shopping. AI helps recommend products and offers personalized shopping experiences based on our browsing and purchase history. 3. AI in industry. AI is also transforming various industries, from healthcare to finance. In this section, we'll discuss some of the most significant AI applications in different sectors, including 1. Healthcare. AI is used for early disease detection, drug discovery, and personalized treatment plans. 2. Finance. AI-powered algorithms help with fraud detection, risk assessment, and investment management. 3. Manufacturing. AI is used for predictive maintenance, quality control, and optimizing production processes. 4. Ethical considerations. With great power comes great responsibility, and AI is no exception. As AI continues to advance, it's essential to consider the ethical implications of its use. In this section, we'll discuss some of the key ethical concerns surrounding AI, such as 1. Bias and fairness. AI systems can perpetuate and even amplify existing biases if not designed and trained carefully. 2. Privacy and surveillance. The widespread use of AI in surveillance technologies raises concerns about individual privacy and civil liberties. 3. Job displacement. AI has the potential to automate many jobs, leading to concerns about unemployment and the need for reskilling. The AI revolution is transforming our world in countless ways, offering incredible opportunities and posing new challenges. As we continue to explore the potential of AI, it's crucial to consider its ethical implications and strive for a future where AI benefits all of humanity. Thank you for joining us on this journey through the world of artificial intelligence. If you enjoyed this video, please give it a thumbs up, leave a comment, and don't forget to subscribe to eShirt for more insightful content.